Hi, welcome back to the channel. Now, it's been quite some time since we've done any upgrade works to the Cooper S Traveller, and a little job that I've wanted to do for quite some time has been to upgrade the rear drums. So quite some time ago, when we first restored the Traveller, I replaced the standard drum with a Cooper S type, which has the built-in spacer to allow the wheels to sit out that little bit further, as I wanted to run mini light alloys at the time, which are the wheels we have on the car at the minute, and I wanted them to sit out and fill the arches. So this is a very similar idea what we did to our budget Metro build very recently, where again we wanted the wheels to fill the arches, so we replaced the half-inch spacer, which is standard on the Metro, with the inch spacer, built-in spacer, which is on the Cooper S drums. So these brakes have been 100%, they've worked really well in the time that I've owned the car, but yeah, I've always wanted to fit the Minifins. So Minifins have been around for a long time, right from the 60s, and these are reproductions. Original Minifins are getting more and more scarce now, but these are mini spares reproductions, and again, they're very same idea in principle. They're alloyed to begin with, so they're much lighter, but more importantly, they have these fins around them, and the idea behind that is to help dissipate the heat much quicker and therefore give a better brake. So obviously we're not going to be using the Mini for any competition work or any heavy driving, but yeah, it does no harm to have a little bit of an brake upgrade, especially when we have the bigger engine up front as well. But more importantly, it looks really cool. So what I want to do is just go through very quickly just fitting these as well. Again, I'm not a mechanic by any means, so this isn't the how-to, this is just the way I'm doing it, and if I give you some pointers along the way and it helps, then it's great as well. So basically it's very, very simple. First of all, we need to do is to turn back the handbrake and the shoes with the adjuster. That allows us to get the drum off easily, and it's simply a matter of reversing the process. So tools are very simple. All we need is a spanner. This is a 5/16. In my case, for this adjuster, other adjusters may have slightly varying spanner sizes. There is also a brake adjuster tool, which again is on the market. Unfortunately, I have misled at the moment, so we're using a standard spanner. So as with all these sort of projects, the first thing to do is jack up the car and make sure you put an axle stand in a safe place, just in case of any issues. So as you can see, it's not a matter of just pulling the drum off. You need to drop back the adjuster, which will allow the drum to come off a little bit easier. So I just go back in quarter turns at a time. Yep, to a point where that slides off easily. So it's only a matter of simply just reversing the process. There, I'll show you as well, in a lot of cases there will be a screw in here, one on one side, missing from this car. So, and again, the wheel holds on anyway, so it's not an overly important thing to put in. So we just simply slide these back on again, get lined up, there we go. So there we are, and then simply reverse the process is to tighten the adjuster back up again. So the way my dad has always taught me to do it is to go until we can't turn the brake drum any further. Yeah, we're locked tight there, and my dad always tells me just knock it back a quarter turn, and that is the brake adjusted and the new drums fitted. So there you have it. Isn't that such a simple job to do? Literally 10 minutes and you've got yourself a nice subtle rear brake upgrade. All that's left to do now is to drop the car back onto its wheels and move on to the very next project for the Cooper S Traveller. And incidentally, that is going to be a headlight upgrade, which has been a recommendation for my friends. So yeah, we'll take you on the journey there as well, and we'll see the difference between the bulbs we have currently fitted to the bulbs that we're going to fit. So until then, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you again very soon.